Crestron Smart Home Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think smart homes are just about voice assistants and smart lights. But here's the surprising truth. A true smart home system controls your entire environment, and Crestron is one of the most advanced platforms in the world. Crestron is a premium smart home automation system used in luxury homes, offices, and hotels. It controls lighting, climate, audio, video, security, and shading through one unified system. Here's what most people get wrong. They think all smart home systems are plug and play. Crestron is professionally installed and fully customized to each home. Once installed, you can control your entire home through touch panels, mobile apps, or voice assistants. You can create automation scenes like good morning, movie night, or away mode. Crestron is known for rock-solid reliability and fast response times. The system runs on dedicated hardware, not just Wi-Fi devices. However, the surprising truth is that Crestron is expensive and not designed for small apartments or DIY users. Crestron is best for large homes, luxury properties, and people who want a fully integrated automation experience. The surprising truth is that premium automation is about comfort, security, and simplicity at scale. Crestron delivers exactly that. If you want one of the most powerful smart home systems available, Crestron is worth serious consideration. Subscribe to the channel for more smart home reviews and future living tech.